This is the Changchun plant of First Automobile Works, established in 1953, is the birthplace of China's automobile industry after 1949. It has 5 manufacturing vehicle bases in Qingdao, Chengdu, Liuzhou, and Foshan respectively, and 3 assembly bases located in Changchun, Wuxi, and Dalian. Regardless of production or sales volume, the Changchun factory is at the top of the list, becoming the most representative modern automobile factory in China. The production line of the welding workshop covers an area of 12,000 square meters, with a total of 5 automatic production lines, achieving high automation and high precision. The production line adopts equipment and technologies from the world's advanced equipment suppliers, such as Siemens PLC system, German KUKA welding robot, etc. It adopts ground high-speed roller table, robot handling, and other methods to realize transmission, and all of major assemblies use aerial roller table, hoist, traverse machine, pickup self-propelled spreader, and other instruments for loading and unloading. And the design mobility of the entire line of equipment is 85%. The welding point automation rate of the body-in-white assembly is 65%. Among them, the welding point automation rate of the floor line, main welding line, and door line is 100%, and the top cover line welding point automation rate is 89%, improving quality of solder joints and the accuracy of the white body. The painting workshop includes the coating of the cab and surface of the non-metal parts. The cab coating base covers an area of 43,000 square meters, with an annual output of 120,000 cabs, which can meet the needs of mixed production of various medium and heavy-duty old and new cabs, and some spare parts. The equipment is designed and installed by the well-known German coating company Eisenmann. It adopts the world's advanced coating equipment like multifunctional shuttles, multifunctional robots, electric monorail trolleys, and waste incineration facility, making the coating quality reach the European truck coating level. The metalloid base uses robot automatic spraying technology and advanced pre-treatment washing technology and environmentally friendly green water-based paint spraying technology to reach world-class level, which is the first time in the field of coating the exterior parts of commercial vehicles. The Advanced Production Information Management System is adopted to realize production coating automation, intelligent production scheduling, visualization of key workstation process information, and various data management. It is a model workshop for FAW Trucks intelligent manufacturing. The assembly workshop combines FAW Trucks' 50 years of experience in building trucks with advanced European technology. It has reached the world-class level and is also the most advanced truck production line in China. It covers a construction area of 64,300 square meters. It includes 2 full assembly lines and 2 cab interior lines, and can produce 120,000 full vehicles per year. The final assembly line is 307 meters long, with 26 stations in total. The mixed production of medium and heavy trucks is implemented. The production cycle is 5 minutes, and its mobility rate reaches more than 95%. The first FAW truck, Jiefang CA10, which rolled off the production line in 1956, opening up a marvelous era. Beginning with the second generation CA141 FAW Jiefang trucks started to export to overseas markets and move towards the world stage. The third generation was a 6-ton truck. Its power was converted from gasoline to diesel, and its design from the previous convex into a flathead as well, which met the needs of social development. The fourth generation FAW Jiefang trucks formed in the mid-1990s, gradually transforming into heavy trucks. As for the fifth generation truck, as soon as J5 heavy truck came out, it refreshed the industry standard at that time, creating a new era of heavy trucks. The sixth generation FAW Jiefang J6 series is the world's best-selling truck for FAW. Millions of units of this type were sold in 2019, and it is still breaking the global sales record for a single brand of commercial vehicles. Relying on highly automated, highly intelligent modern production technology, as well as scientific and standardized management systems, FAW Trucks has won trust in many countries and regions so far, and will continue to provide more and better products to the world in the future.